Are you ready for a building experience like no other? Introducing the Mold King 15067 Robot Dog Building Kit. With 936 pieces and colorful paper instructions, you and your family can easily assemble this dynamic robot dog together. Not only is it a fun bonding experience, but it also comes with a motor and lithium battery for movement and Bluetooth control through a mobile phone app or 2.4 GHz remote control. Made with high-quality ABS and carbon fiber materials, this building block toy is safe and durable. It's also compatible with other building block brands, so you can add it to your collection. Don't worry about missing parts, as our packaging process is fully automated. If any parts are missing, just let us know and we'll send them to you for free. And, if you have any issues with assembly or use, our customer service team is always here to help. Bring home the Mold King 15067 Robot Dog Building Kit today and let the fun begin.